Hello everyone, this is Rahul. Welcome to Learnwizz. I hope you all are doing very well. In today we will see the video about the triangles previous year question paper. So make sure you will stay till the end of the video so to learn the tricks and how you can solve the papers. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button and so you can get a regular update about our videos. Okay, so let's start the previous year question paper of triangles.
So here in the first question, that is of CBSE 2024. So in this question, it is saying in a triangle ABC, you can see this triangle is ABC and their DE, DE is parallel to BC. Basically, you can say DE is parallel to BC is already given, shown in the figure. And it is saying AD, AD is equal to 2 centimeter, which means this AD is equal to 2 centimeter and BD is equal to you have 3 centimeter. Okay, and after that BC is the baseline, so that is a 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so now asking find their length of DE. So basically it is asking a find the length of DE, and the options are, you can see, given 2.5, 3, 5 and 6. So it is a MCQ question. So again, we don't have to waste a time, directly we can find the answer. So first thing we can say here, we can consider two triangles. So we can here consider two triangles. So two triangles, first triangle we can say here ADE, and second triangle we can say triangle ABC. Okay, this two triangle, and here we can say you have already given DE is parallel to BC. Okay, so baseline of both the triangles are parallel. So they hence we can say is the triangle hence angle of triangle ADE. So we can say here angle ADE is equal to angle ABC, and same way we can say here angle AED of triangle ADE is equal to angle ACB. Okay, and hence we can say therefore these two triangles, which two triangle, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by triple A. We can say here by triple A similarity. Now once these two triangles are similar, so hope you know the criteria of the triangles. If the two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles and their corresponding sides ratio are proportional. So we can say their corresponding sides ratio are equal. So which means here we can say that is AE over AC is equal to that is a DE over a BC, and is equal to AD over AB. Because AE, you can say this side, that is a smaller sides of the triangle ADE, and the bigger sides is basically the sides of the triangle ABC. So their corresponding sides ratio are equal. And so now from here, which means their corresponding sides ratio are equal. So from this, we can say, hey, we have to find here basically DE. So we can say here the equation AD over AB is equal to DE over BC. Okay, so we can take this equation from this one. But the question is that we have given the AD. we have given the AB, and we have given the DE. We have to find DE. So here we can say AD. AD is equal to 2 centimeter, and AB we can say AD plus DB is equal to DE over BC. Now, after that, you can say 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. DB is equal to 3 centimeter is equal to DE. DE we have to find here. Okay, and BC is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Now, after that, we can solve here simply. So 7.5, you will come to cross multiplication. So 2 times 7.5 over 2 plus 3. So you will get 5 is equal to DE. So which means 15 over 5. You will get how much? DE. So that is equal 15. So 15 by 3, 5, you will get 3 is equal to DE. So we can say here option is what? We have exactly 3 centimeter is coming equal. Hope you got it clear. Now, coming about the second question of 2024 boards. Okay, so in this question it is saying in a triangle ABC, you can see the bigger triangle ABC, there is a line AD. AD is perpendicular to BC, which means this one is perpendicular. Okay, and here one equation is given, that is AD square is equal to BD times DC. So prove that angle BAC, which means angle 1 and 4. Basically, you can say angle 1 and 4 is equal to 90 degree. We have to prove. Okay, so in this question, it is very easy type and also important. So just see, basically, first here we can say we have given the equation. Here we have given the equation. We will take this equation AD square is equal to BD times DC. We can take now. You can expand this one. We can say, hey, AD times AD is equal to BD times DC. Okay. Now here you have given. Now what we will say here, we will divide both this side. Divide both side of the equation. Both side of equation by BD times AD. Okay. So if you're dividing AD times AD, and you will have to divide with BD times AD. Okay, same way is equal to BD times DC. Okay, and dividing with BD times AD. Okay, so you can say BD and BD get cancelled, and here AD and AD will cancel. So how much you have left? You can say, hey, AD over BD is equal to what? We can say DC over AD. Okay, now you can see here we have got this one. Now we have to consider this triangle. We have to consider the triangle ABD. ABD is this triangle, and now ACD, this second triangle. So we can say here, so now consider the triangle A B D and triangle A C D. Okay, so you can see we have taken these two triangles, so we can say AD over BD is equal to what? DC over AD. One pair of two corresponding sides ratio are equal, and also in this one you can say these two triangles, you can say this two these angles in both the triangles is 90 degree. So you can say here, so triangle angles of this triangle. So A D B is equal to angle ADC, that is equal to 90 degree, because it is already given both angles are both angles are 90 degree. Okay, given, you can say reason is given. So therefore we can say the triangles ABD is similar to triangle ACD, uh, by you can say by which criteria? You can say here, you can say SAS. Okay, by SAS. Now after that, you can say we can draw this triangle. We can say we can draw this triangle. Okay, so suppose this is your triangle we have drawn, and sorry, don't mind for my figure. So this is rough figure I'm drawing. So this is your triangle. I have broken this triangle into two equal parts. So you can say this is A, and this is D, and this is basically CB. And this one is already given 90 degree. Okay. Now here we can say, hey, this side ratio is equal to this side ratio. Okay, and this side is equal to this one. And here what we will say, hey, this angle is X, this angle is Y. Okay, and same way this triangle ADC, we can take this angle A, this angle B. So here we can also say let's angle X is equal to angle Y. Sorry, angle X is equal to, we can say here, angle X is equal to angle B of a triangle ADC. Same way, angle Y is equal to angle A. Okay. Now, so from this one, we can say here, so since both the triangles are both the triangles are what? Here, both the triangles, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ACD. So both the triangles are similar. So their corresponding angles are equal. So their corresponding angles are equal. Okay. So that is one thing. Okay. Now after that, we can say here angle X and Y, because you can see in the triangle ABD, already angle D is equal to what? 90 degree. This angle is 90. So which means the angle X and Y is equal to what? Remaining 90 degree, because sum of angles of a triangle 180 degree. So remaining two angle, we can say X plus angle Y is equal to what? 190 degree. Okay. Now after that, we have already know here that angle Y is equal to what? A. So we can replace, substitute here, substitute value of angle Y. So here we can say angle X plus angle A is equal to what? 90 degree. Okay, so hence we can say, hence uh, we can say angle BAC is equal to what? 90 degree. Hope you're getting. So and after that we can say their angles are equal, so their corresponding angles equal, and based on the angle sum property we can say angle X and Y is equal to 90 degree. And here we have replaced the Y with the their similar corresponding angle. Hope it's clear. Now coming about the third question. So third question, it is saying, it is again 2024 question. It is saying the greater of two supplementary angle exceed the smaller by 18 degree. So find the measure of these two angles. So it is simple saying the greater of two supplementary angle exceed the smaller by 18 degree. So first you have to understand supplementary angle means sum of 180 degree and complementary means sum is 90 degree. Okay, so here it is saying two supplementary angles. So we can say, hey, let the measure of measures of two angles is x degree and y degree. Okay, so we have to say in such a way that x is greater than y. Okay, because here it is saying, now after that it is saying, hey, it is supplementary angle, so we can say x plus y is equal to what, 180 degree. That is one equation, because sum of angles of the supplementary is equal to 180 degree. Now it is saying the first angle, the bigger angle, is exceed by 18 degree. So we can say, hey, the bigger angle is x minus y is equal to what, 18 degree. So you will get two equation here. Now you can use the linear equation. Again, you can use the linear equation any method like substitution, elimination, and find. So hey, we can go with here like a elimination method. Okay, so we can say subtract equation 2 minus equation 1. You can use any method, which one you can feel. So we can say x minus y is equal to 18 degree, and same way you can say x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so now subtract, this is minus, and this is minus. Okay, so when you will subtract, how much you will get? So 18 minus this one is, will get what, minus 162 degree. Same way you can say here y, and so you can get 2y because both are negative, and plus x minus x become 0. So you can say minus 2y is equal to minus 162 degree. So y is equal to how much? You can say minus 162 degree divided by minus 2. So you can subtract, you can divide this one. So you will get y is equal to 81 degree. Now substitute the value of y in any equation. So we can say, hey, the first equation we have, we can say x minus y is equal to 18 degree. So here you can substitute the value of y. So minus 81 is equal to 18 degree. So x is equal to, you can say 18 plus 81. Okay, so that one, x is equal to 99 degree. Hope it's clear. So that is a very simple. So it is a mixture of supplementary angle along with the linear equation. Okay, now let's see the fourth question of 2024. So this is again, the question figure is not given, so you have to make sure you have to understand the question to draw the figure properly. Okay, so it is saying if a line is drawn parallel to one sides of the triangle to intersect the other sides of the triangle in a distant point, prove that other two sides are divided into same ratio. Okay, again we will read once. If a line is drawn parallel to one sides of the triangle to intersect the other two sides in a distant point, then prove that other two sides are divided into same ratio. So which means you have these triangles. Okay, so here you have drawn this triangle. So first give the bigger triangle name A, B, C. Now we have to draw in such a way that one sides of the line is parallel to another. So this line, basically this line is parallel to this one. Now here basically in this question it is saying, so here given points are what you have given. They have given the DE is parallel to BC. And basically we have to prove here, what we have to prove, to DA, sorry, DB, DB over AD. AD is equal to EC over AE. So this two we have to prove. So here simple way. First we will take here the two triangle we will take. One is triangle ABC, and another triangle we will take here, triangle ADE. The one is a small triangle you can take here. So here you can say this is small triangle and one is bigger triangle. Okay, so we will take a similar. So here we can say angle AED is equal to angle ACB by corresponding angle. You can say reason corresponding angle. Okay, now same way you can say the angle ADE. ADE is equal to angle ABC. Okay, you can say this triangle ADE. ADE, this angle is equal to angle ABC, this one. Okay, clear? So by the same way, you can say reason corresponding angles, corresponding angles. Okay, so we can write here. Now after that we can say here in this one, this is a common angle. You can say this is a common angle here. So you can say the angle uh, E EAD is common angle. So we can write here common angles in both triangles. In both triangles. Okay. Now after that we can write here. Therefore, triangle ABC is ABC is similar to triangle ADE. Okay, so here the you can say all three are coming because of the angles. So we can say here by triple A criteria. Now both the triangles is came to similar, so we can say here that this A, we can say here this AC over AE is equal to AB over AD. So based on that we can write here. So here AC over AE is their corresponding sides ratio are equal. So we can say AB over AD. Okay, because when these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides ratio are equal. So we have already know here AB. AB we can write here AD plus BD. Okay, so same way we can say AC. AC is also we can write here, that is AE plus EC. Okay, so we can substitute the value of AB and AC here. So we can say AB is AC is equal to AE plus EC over AE. Okay, now same with you can say AB. In place of AB we can substitute this one, so we can say AD plus BD over we can say AD. Okay, now after all this thing, so you have substituted this one, so now we can divide this equation. So what you will get here, so if you divide by AE, so you will get here A1 plus EC over AE. Same way you can say 1 plus BD over AD you will get here. So you can say this one and this one will get cancelled. So now after that you can say, hey, EC over AE is equal to BD over AD. Okay, so hence it's proved. Okay, so we have got proved here. So this is a easy type question, so make sure you will and it is also based on the theorem, basic personality theorem. So now this is a fifth question of 2024. So here it is saying the side AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC. So first we will draw the triangle here ABC. Okay, so this is your triangle A, B, and C. And here you have one median. So median is basically, you know, that will divide the sides into two equal parts. So AD is your median. So AD is your, so you can say AD is your median. So that will divide the side BC into two equal parts of a triangle ABC. Same way, respectively proportional to the side PQ and PR and the median PM of triangle PQR. So you can draw the triangle PQR. Okay, so this is your triangle PQR. Okay, and here one median. So you can say median is, you have PM. So again, this will divides into two equal parts of the QR. So from that, you can say here BD is equal to 1/2 of BC. Okay, and same way you can say here that QM is equal to 1/2 QR. Okay, so this you can take is the equation 1. Okay, now coming about next part of this question. So from it is saying their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So we can say here AB is over PQ is equal to BC over QR and is equal to AC. So their median is equal. So we can say AD over PM. That you can say equation 2 here. So because in the question saying you can say AB and BC and median AD are their respectively proportional sides of the PQ, PR and PM. So their respective sides are in proportional. So from equation 1, you can say equation 1 and equation 2, can we say that here AB over PQ equal to BD, BD over QM, because you can say BD is equal to 1/2 BC and QM is equal to 1/2 QR. So if their half, if the sides are equal, their half is also equal and ratio. So therefore here we can now can say the triangle ABD are similar to triangle PQM by triple S criteria. Okay, so therefore angle B is equal to angle Q. Their corresponding angles are equal. Okay, so but their corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal of similar triangle. Okay, so we can say this one. So which means this angle B is equal to this angle Q. Okay, now so therefore now we have to take the triangle here, triangle A B C and triangle PQR, because we have to prove this triangle ABC and the triangle PQR similarity. So we can say here therefore AB over PQ is equal to BC over QR. Here you can say from equation 2, we can say from equation 2, we can say this one. Now same way we can say angle B is equal to angle Q. Okay, already proved here, already proved. Okay, so therefore the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SAS criteria. Okay, so our question is saying to prove the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So now it is proved simple way. So hope you understand this one. Now coming with the next question of the 2024. So in this question it is saying in the given figure ABCD is a quadrilateral. Okay, so and the diagonal BD uh, bisect the angle B and D both. Okay, so prove that first one angle triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBD. Okay, so you can say here in this triangle, uh, here it is given that diagonal BD is bisect the angle B and D, which means this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, and here it is saying you have to prove the similarity ABD, which means this triangle and the triangle CBD, this triangle. You have to prove the similarity. So it is very simple way. First one we will do. So first one we can say here, let's go with the triangle ABD, and another triangle we can take here CBD. Okay, so here we can say two angles are given equal, so we can say here angle ABD is equal to angle uh, here CBD, already given, so we can say reason is given. Okay, same way we can say here angle ADB is equal to angle CDB. This is also given. Okay, so you can see the two condition is got it. One is based on angles, one is also based on angles. Now, because here already you can see the two angles are equal, then automatically third angle is also equal. So you can say the triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBD by triple A criteria. Okay. So first one you have proved that. Now it is its second part. It is saying so you have to prove that AB is equal to BC, which means here you have to prove that this one AB is equal to here BC. Basically AB is equal to BC. You have to prove that. So let's we come to second one. So let's second part we can say since the triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBD. Okay, so if the two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles and the corresponding sides are equal. So we can say here AB over BD is equal to BC by BD. Corresponding sides ratio are equal. So we can say corresponding sides ratio are equal. Corresponding sides ratio are equal. Okay, so here based on that we can say uh, hence we can say therefore AB is equal to BC. Hope you have got it, this one. Now, so this is a very easy type question in 2024. Now coming with the next question. In the question number 7, you can see it is given the figure also. It is saying in the given figure, PA, PA this side, that is given X, QB, that is given Y, and RC, that is given Z. Okay, hence you have to prove that 1 over X plus 1 over G is equal to 1 over Y. Okay, so this is a important question in respective of this year. Okay, so first we can say in this triangle, here we will take a two triangle. First we will take a triangle ACP. ACP here we can take. So which one is your ACP triangle? ACP. This you can say this triangle we can take here. This one, so underline one. I am taking this one. So and second one you can take here triangle CBQ. CBQ, which means this bigger one you can say take this bigger triangle. Okay, now based on that you can say both angle, the base angle is 90 degree, this one. So we can say here angle CAP is equal to angle CBQ is equal to 90 degree, we can say, given reason. Now same way here you can say there one angle is common, so we can say angle PCA is equal to angle QCB. QCB. So you can say common angle here reason. So again you can say these two triangles, one angle. These two triangles, two angles are equal. So therefore we can say therefore triangle ACP is similar to triangle CBQ by triple A criteria. Okay, got it. So now based on that, if these two triangles are similar, we can say therefore their corresponding sides are also equal. So we can say here BQ over AP is equal to here BC over AC, which means here you can say uh, YX is equal to BC over AC. Okay, now so based on that you can say now again we will take one similar triangle here. So we can take a similarity between the triangle ACR. ACR you can see in the figure ACR. Okay, and the triangle you can take here that one is ABQ. ABQ. Okay, so based on that here we can again prove the similarity ACR. ACR you can say and ABQ. ABQ. This is a small triangle and bigger triangle. So you can say simple way this both are also similar. Okay, so hence you can say the angle ACR here equal to angle ABQ is equal to 90 degree. Okay, and second one you can say angle QAB is equal to angle RAC. Okay, that is common angle. Again you can say common angle. Okay, so based on that here you can say therefore the triangle ACR is similar to triangle ABQ by again triple A criteria. So now hope you got it, this two similarity of this triangle. Now after that we can here also we can say so therefore PQ over CR is equal to AB over AC. Now you already know what is you have given BQ. BQ you have given Y, and CR you have given how much? G is equal to AB over AC. Okay. So now you can take this is equation 1 and this is your equation 2. Okay. Now we can add both equation. We can add equation 1 and 2. Equation 2. Okay. So you can see here we have both equation is given. So we can say y over x plus y over g is equal to BC over AC plus AB over AC. We can add. So now you can see the right side, it is like fraction, but in left side it is different. So we can say here simple way. So here y over we can say 1 over x, take the LCM, plus 1 over g, and this side you will get BC plus AB over AC. Okay. Now after all this thing, so we can just reverse them. So it will get how much? So it will, and here you can say BC plus AB. BC plus AB. So you can say BC plus AB, you will get AC. So in this one, we can say this one you will get AC over AC. So here AC will get cancelled. So now you can write here y over 1 over x plus 1 over g is equal to 1. Now after that you can do the cross multiplication. So if you do the cross multiplication, so you will get 1 over y is equal to 1 over x plus 1 over g. So hence it is proved. Okay, easy. Yeah, so this is a important question. So this is your last question of 2024. Now coming with 2022 23 question. So again you can see it is a one of the MCQ question. So first you can see here it is saying in the triangle ABC. ABC is a bigger triangle. There PQ is parallel to BC, and where PB 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 you can see 6 centimeter is given, and AP AP you have given 4 centimeter, and AQ you have given the 8 centimeter. So you have to find the length of AC. What are the option you have given? 12 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 14 centimeter. So simple. Here we can say since PQ is parallel to BC. Okay, so we can say here based on the basic proportionality theorem, AP over PB is equal to AQ over QC. Now after that you can substitute the value. AP is given how much? 4, and PB you have given 6, and then you can say AQ you have given how much? 8, but you don't have given QC. So after that you can write QC. So you can do the cross multiplication. So QC is equal to 8 over 4 times 6. So you can say this one is get cancelled 2. So you will get how much? 12. You will get 12. So here is asking find the length of AC. So AC, now you got the QC. So you can say, hey, AC is equal to here lot of a student making a mistake. Directly they can mark 12. So you can say here AC is equal to what? AQ plus QC. So how much you got? 8. AC is given 8, and QC you got 12. So which means this is 20. So option B is correct answer. Hope it's clear. Now coming about the second question of the 2023. So you can see here in this question, it is saying in the given figure, XG. XG is parallel to BC and AG. AG you have given 3 centimeter and GC you have given 2 centimeter and BM you have given the 3 centimeter and MC you have given 5 centimeter. So basically you have to, it is asking, hey, you have to find XY length. Okay, so simple, we have here to calculate first length of AC. First length of AC and BC we have to calculate. So we can say here AC is equal to how much? AG plus GC. So which means 3 centimeter plus 2 centimeter is equal to 5 centimeter. Same way, you can say BC is equal to how much? BM plus MC, which means you have 3 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. So you will get total 8 centimeter. Okay. Now, next we will come into triangle AXY and triangle ABM. So we will take a triangle to prove a similarity. So we can take a triangle AXY and the triangle ABM. Okay, so here we can say in this triangle, so angle AXY is equal to angle ABM, which means these two angles, you can say the reason corresponding angles. Okay, corresponding angles, because here XG and BC are parallel, so you can say the reason is corresponding angles. Okay, same way you can say angle XAY is equal to angle BAM, that is common angle, you can say here common angle. Okay, so now based on that, you can see the two condition of angles has proven. So therefore you can say, therefore triangle AXY is similar to triangle ABM, and by the criteria you can say by triple A. Okay, clear? Now hence you can say therefore their corresponding sides ratio are also equal. So you can say AX over here AB is equal to XY. You can say here XY is over BM is equal to, we can say AY over AM. Okay, so now you have got this one. So we can, since these two triangles are similar, so we can say based on that, so AX over AB is equal to XY over XY over BM is equal to, can we say AG over AC based on the proportionality theorem. Proportionality theorem. Okay, now after that we can say, we can take from this one, we can say therefore XY over BM is equal to AG over AC. Okay, now we can substitute the value here. So we have already know the values. So XY we don't know, BM given 3, and same way AZ we have given 3 and AC we have given 5. Okay, now based on that you can say here so which means XY is equal to 3 times 3 over 5. Okay, which means is equal to 9 over 5. So XY you will get how much? 1.8 centimeter. Hope it's clear. So this type of question, it is very common to ask. Okay, so now coming with the next question. Okay, this is now 10th question of the 2023, that is based on assertion and reasoning. So assertion is saying the perimeter of the triangle ABC is a rational number. Okay, reason it is saying the sum of a square of two rational number is always rational number. Okay, now question options are given here. Both assertion and reasoning are true, and reason R is a correct explanation for assertion A. Second option, both assertion and reasoning are true, but reason is not a correct explanation of the assertion. Option C, it is saying assertion A is true, but reason R is false. Now, D is saying assertion A is false, but reason R is true. So first you can see here you have given one example of triangles. Okay, so if we have to find their side, because perimeter is equal to what? Sum of all the sides. So in this triangle, if we will apply the Pythagoras theorem, so you can say AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So you can say AC square is equal to 2 square plus 3 square. So AC is equal to how much you will get? A square root, that is 4 plus 9. So which means you will get AC is equal to a square root 13. Okay. Now you can say, so if we have to find the perimeter, if we have to find the perimeter, so perimeter you will get how much here? You can say the perimeter is equal to AB plus BC plus AC. So AB you have given how much? 2, and BC you have given 3, and then AC you have got root 13. So which means you will get perimeter is equal to 5 root 13. So 5 root 13 you can say it is a irrational number. Irrational number. It is not a rational number. So which means your option 1 is wrong. So which means your correct option is D. Assertion is false, but reason A is reason R is true, because you know that if you add any two rational square of two rational number, you will always get a rational number. Okay, hope you got it. Now coming about question number, next question, it is saying here in 11th question, in a triangle PQR, N is a point on PR such that QN is perpendicular to PR, and PN times NR is equal to QN square. Prove that the triangle PQR is a 90 degree. Hope you remember this is the same type question you have asked in the 2024. So we will draw the figure first. So you can see this is your triangle. Now you can give the triangle's name. This is P, this is Q, this is R. Okay, now here it is saying N is the point on PR. Okay, so N is the point on PR. Okay, such that QN is perpendicular to PR, which means this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, and so here it is saying Pn times Nr is equal to QNR. So we have to prove that PQR, basically this one we have to prove that 90 degree. So simple, we can here write the equation. We can say Pn times Nr is equal to Qn square. Okay, expand this one. Pn times Nr is equal to Qn times Qn. Now here we can divide both side divide both side by we can divide both side by n r times Qn. Okay, so here when we are dividing, so we can say that Pn times nr divided with NR times QN. Okay, QN. Okay, is equal to QN times QN over NR times Qn. Okay, so you can say this Qn cancel, NR cancel. So you will get Pn over Qn is equal to Qn over Nr. This is your equation 1. You can say now same way you can take now here this two triangle. So you can say triangle here. If you can see, you can say the triangle uh, Q N P, okay, and triangle you can say here R N Q. Okay, so you can say based on that you have to prove the similarity. So we can say here Pn over Qn is equal to here Qn over Nr. Okay, you can say here. So this one two sides are in the corresponding ratio. Now after that you can say that angle PNQ is equal to angle RNQ by 90 degree. So therefore the triangles Q and P is similar to uh, triangle R and Q. Okay, so hope you got it this one, how we have proved this similarity between these two triangle. Okay, now and by which criteria we have proved here? So we can say by SAS. Okay, so now therefore we can say based on that we can say here therefore the angle PQN is equal to angle QRN. Okay, and so PQN is equal to angle QRN, and same way we can say angle QRN is equal to angle QPN. So we can say based on the similarity, they cross all the corresponding angles are equal. Now, after all this thing, here simple, we can say, hey, we have now understand this one. So we can add this two angle. So we can say this is your equation 1 you can take, this is your equation 2 you can take. So simple we can say angle PQN plus angle here QRN. QRN is equal to angle QRN plus angle QPN. QPN. So you can see here in this one. So angle PQN and angle QRN. Can we say this one is equal to angle PQR is equal to angle here QRN plus angle QPN. So this is your equation 2. You can take it here. Equation 3 you can take here this one. Now after all this thing we can say here, so this you have got it. Now you know the sum of angles of a triangle is equal to how much? 180 degree. So we can say in triangle PQR we can say here PQR plus angle PQR and angle PRQ plus angle you can say this one uh, you can say QPR is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so now here you have already find it here angle PQR is equal to QRN. Now we can substitute this all values. So we can say here angle PQR plus angle QRN plus angle QRN is equal to 180 degree. Okay, now you can see here we can add this to, so you can see here so here you will get 2PQR, because this one is equal to your angle PQR. So you can substitute here. So you will get 2PQR is equal to 180 degree. So which means here angle PQR is equal to 180 degree divided by 2. So you will get 90 degrees. Okay. So hope you got it. So PQR is equal to 90 degree. Okay.
Hey, thank you for watching this video. And if you enjoy the video, found helpful, do not forget to give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And leave a comments below if you have any question, suggestion for our future videos. And also make sure you can follow our social media channels for regular updates of our videos. Okay, so till now, bye bye. See you soon.